What's good, family? You know, it's a little different. We out here. About to go fishing, man. Out here in the little woods, man. Got my brother over here. Got my dog Josh over here. So what's down?
Down with it.
Hey, man, we about to get active, man. I'm gonna be right back with y'all. I'm about to set up. Y'all, we setting up. We got our red worms. Got it from the bait shop. Had to go get right. Refrigerate your worms if you fish consistently. You know what I'm saying? You gotta keep them alive. You don't want them to die. These are little red night crawlers. I said night crawlers, but red crawlers, whatever you want to call them. Ah, man. One of them just jumped out of my hand. Teach y'all how to hook a worm for real. Put it on your hook, man. But yeah, man, it's just, bro decided to go today. We was just chilling. We were gonna work out first this morning, and I was like, man, we should go fish. He brought it up to me, so I was like, yeah, we gonna go. So we left the house and we out here now, about to get active. About to get active. Real active, right? So y'all stay tuned and watch us catch something, man. Man, you gotta make sure the worm all the way on the. Got ants on my hand for some reason. Yeah, we got the worm on now. Now we about to cast it in the water. So, yeah. Let me get right real quick and trip. Hopefully we catch a little something. Nice part of the day. Got them things out here, man. The mosquitoes for real. Yeah. Yeah, I hear it. I had a bite, bro. Yeah. Nigga ride me, man. Nigga ride me, bro. Hey, but it's all good. Be right back. My bad, y'all. A little shaky. Here we go. Got the cast on back in there. Oh, they got a lot of turtles in the water. A lot of wildlife out there. It's really, nature's playground for real. Yeah, like about 4, 5 of them. Yeah, they be getting active out here though. You catch something. Just gotta be patient. Just like with anything in life, gotta be patient. Okay. I bet. I just had a bite, bro. Just had another bite. I don't know what it was. Yeah, we getting busy now. You good? You good? Alright. The main thing about fishing is patience. Patience and attentiveness. You gotta be very quiet. Chill. You may not catch nothing on every fishing trip, bro. You gotta be patient. I see this dragonfly on the end of my. I just love it. You gotta be patient. Yeah, man. It's just really nice just to be able to be in touch with nature, bro. That's the main thing about it. That's why I tell a lot of people, man, you gotta really be in touch with your inner childhood. Whatever makes you happy. You know, get outside, try something new. You know, you don't have to do the same thing every day. Ah, shit. Yeah. Not crazy to herself. Got hooked up in a tree. That's a part of fishing, though. You get hung up, you know, kind of like in life, man. The devil will try to hang you up and not let go of you. But, hey, as long as you're still alive, you keep it, man. You're gonna be able to catch something. Amen. Be right back. Yeah, we about to move around, get out the shade, move in a little spot over here. Give me a second. About to sit y'all up right here in the shade so y'all can see me. So y'all can see what's going on for real. Nothing too major. Throw the worms right there. Had to get right. Get right. Get right, about to get right. I'm pretty sure y'all can see me. Good. Alright, let's get it. Oh my God. What? A big snake. Where? Over here in the bush. That is huge. Hold on, I'm about to come bust it at this. You running away. Shit, no. Where is it now? No. Damn. That is huge. Yeah. Yeah, you gotta be mindful out here too, man. Got a lot of snakes. Come back over here. Yeah. Yeah, we gotta be mindful out here, man. Got a lot of snakes and wildlife, especially in the country. This is not no. There's a lot of stock farm for real. They don't stock this farm. Whatever's been living in here, been living here for years. So yeah, real nice spot, bro. just saw a big snake over on that other side of the pond. It's real country yard. They got me watching, but don't be afraid. I got my 9 on today. Yeah, so we're gonna be straight. Got my 9 on my side, so we straight. If anything try to come up against us, I tap it. Give it a little something to think about. Yeah, we about to recast. Recast so we can catch a bass. Recast so we can catch a bass. I almost slipped just then. You gotta watch as well as pray out here, man. So I'm gonna slide past you. Come on, okay. Y'all, I just wanna do like a little something different for y'all. Give you like a little day in the life. You know, out here fishing. Oh look, y'all. A lot of stuff moving in this grass. But yeah, I was just trying to give y'all like a little day in the life. So us fishing. Doing a little something different than I normally do. But yeah. We just sticking to it, man. Staying committed, you know, to what God had called us to do. And that's just to be the voice, man. That's all I am. I'm nothing without him, so when you realize that, it's different. So I'm about to see if we can catch something. Give me a minute. We're gonna be right back. We're about to relocate. About to walk down. Heard a few jumps over here. Nice ass fish sound like. I'm gonna walk over here through this branch and stuff. Let's see if we can get through here without slipping and falling. My little brother just saw a snake a few minutes ago. Nice ass snake, he said. So I'm really just trying to watch my feet, watch my footing, so I can get over here in the right fashion. Yep, so we over here now. We all good. I'm gonna set y'all up. I ain't trying to set y'all up in the mud, but might just have to, so yeah. I'm about to get right in a second. I'm gonna put y'all right here. So I'm about to get back. We're about to get back right. See y'all in a second. We better go on cast up out here. See what we can get. We're gonna catch something, y'all. We're gonna catch something. Ain't gonna lie, y'all, that breeze feels real good out here right now. Feels very good. It sure needs these hot. Very hot. camera angle that y'all in, bro. I got y'all burning up right now. Still, no catches. But hey, some days you catch some days you don't. She live to fight another day. Y'all didn't see that. That was a nice cast by my brother Josh. He's all the way over there in the right corner. Appreciate you. And you stuck. Yeah. Man. You probably on some limbs that you can't see up in that water by that tree. I see it pulling, huh? Wow. Is it still stuck over there? I don't think so. Cause it's getting close to you. Got it back. Yeah. That boy just stopped on me. Man. See that target right here? Yeah, I see it. Yeah, bro. We ain't catching nothing but algae and leaves. What a bummer today. It's all good, man. It's all good. Sometimes you just fish for the sport, bro. Teaches you patience, man. If you fish, bro, I applaud you because you have great patience. I have to get some lunch and talk about some business plans together one day. See what we gonna catch, y'all. We gotta eat. Oh boy, I almost got hooked. I just had a little bite, Josh. Really? Yeah. You gonna get something? You gonna get a little something? Oh shit. My bad for my language, y'all. We got stuck up in this little. Yeah. We're gonna catch something for y'all. We gotta catch something for this video. Y'all stay right there, please. Give y'all a little break. We'll be right back. It's very hot. Y'all, we back. First catch of the day. I didn't catch it on film, but we got us a little bass. As y'all can see, it's just a little baby. Ain't fully grown yet. I don't know how much it weighs, but it's a nice little size. We hooked it right in the mouth, right there in the jaw for real. But she cool. We're gonna toss her back though, cause we ain't gonna keep it. We ain't gonna keep her. I'm gonna keep a little country voice. We ain't gonna keep her, so we're gonna toss her right back. See y'all in a few. Yep. You want it?
I just want to see it.
Yeah. Hold on, come on.
Okay.
Come check it out. Yeah, I'm about to show my brother the little bass. But yeah, I just had to go show my brother the little bass that we caught. Now she's about to go back in the water. Have a good one. Yep. That was pretty cool, man. I haven't caught a bass in a little minute. You know, that's pretty rare for me. You know, I be catching a lot of perch and stuff like that. Most of the time I go fishing a bluegill. Is that right, Josh? Bluegill? Yeah. And probably some catfish. I ain't caught no catfish in a little minute. That's when I be going like, when we be going like river, on the river for real.
I missed that.
Facts. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the catch. Huh? Oh yeah. Yeah, we about to get active. I'll see y'all in a little bit. I was just trying to show y'all the catch. Be right back. Peace. Had to take a little break, man. We over here with my brother. Got alright chill, man.
Whoa.
We over in the shade now. I was in the heat a little too long. Probably got a little darker. Yeah, got a little darker, man. So, you know, like Nike say, just do it. So we about to do it again. About to go catch something else. See what we can do. Alright. Prop y'all up and get y'all right to get the nice view of this. Hold up. Let me see. Alright. Get y'all right here by the trees. Y'all can get me and my brother right there. Nah, right there. Right there. I still got a little bit of worm on my hook. So we're gonna toss it back out there and see what we can get. No good cash, y'all. Never mind about that cash. I don't even pay no attention. Excuse that wind. Probably blew the leaves straight into y'all view of the camera. Yeah. We better catch something, y'all. On tape. Call them. So this pond right here at the back of a church, right here in our little community. Real cool, ducked off. Nobody gonna say nothing because it's back here. They really don't know. Thanks. Right down the road from the house. That's the greatness of living in the country. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, I got some mics coming in so y'all can have better audio of me talking, or whoever else be with me, or we doing anything. So we upgrading around here. We upgrading.
Pitch it down hard enough. You did with your finger.
I did that every time.
Oh, what's wrong, man?
Y'all, if y'all ain't prepared to mess up out here, y'all don't need to come fishing. I ain't gonna lie. Cause if it's your first time really getting out here, getting dirty for real, you're gonna have a lot more mess ups than catches for real.
Yeah, I just slipped, fell.
For real. Yeah, it's fun. That's the fun part about it, for real. Yeah, I'm good now. Yeah.
Nah, I was just trying to see if I just gotta fix that cash on it, you know. Get tangled up again. I ain't been able to catch my stuff out there.
Oh, but this one?
Just in general. I done lost 2 hooks.
You lost some right here on this branch over there.
Yeah.
And one over there, right?
I got the one back on this branch. I lost both of them over there. I'm sick of that. I wonder how deep this is.
That's long.
I doubt it's that deep.
You never know though. I don't know. I'd be afraid to go out.
It's like, you see how it's sunk? Like the water dried up?
Yeah.
All the time I'm trying to be careful. It's not even water.
All the time you really could have been walking.
Swam.
Do y'all know how to swim? Comment down below if y'all know how to swim. Cause we took swimming lessons back when we were a little younger.
I hate you.
Good. Comment below if y'all can swim. I feel like that is a very essential part of life. Y'all need to learn how to swim. Yeah.
See how it stopped?
Yeah. Like you got like a little catch up there.
I don't understand.
It's something about those though. Those closed faces. There had to be some trash or something. But yeah, y'all have to learn how to swim. Yeah. Be prepared, like even when you go fishing, for stuff to go wrong. Please, like I said before. Because you know we have a lot of difficulties with these rods and reels. You have to just be prepared to fix on them and learn to know what you're doing. So, like with anything in life, you gotta learn. So, yeah. So I think this wraps up the video for this current location. I'll get back with y'all probably if we hit the next location. If not, I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Peace. We out.